I've been begging for some critical feedback, so for last week's first go at this new wall-up slideshow format, I tried to provoke disapproval. It could have been staged. Let me declare that my lovely wife does a beautiful French accent. It would be wrong, it would be a breach of trust to record a random passenger's voice while driving a cab, and then to put the conversation up online. People are warned that their conversation may be recorded in a cab, but everyone understands that is for security, not for some arty bloggage. But if that were done, then last week's conversation did no harm. The passenger is only exposed for having an open and responsive mind and a lovely speaking voice. We celebrate graffiti here. We cheer the breaking of boundaries against the rules, presumptuously claiming space on property in the faces of passers-by. This blog begins on the north side around Manly Vale and Balgowlah, in a skate park and at the entry to the Balgowlah Boneyard. Someday soon I mean to get right into that stormwater drain underpass after some drier days. A chronicle of Sydney street art these past months must include some by Slug. He isn't getting respect on the north side, but he's getting up all over the inner west and east. I find a new Slug piece whenever I get out and about at the moment, and his style is getting better fast. He must be spending lots on paint. And he's audacious. He must get caught and punished soon.
Inside out, and I'm feeling upside down. I said push around TNT.
Now that we're back in the inner west, here are some new stencils by Fucked. F-U-K-T. Veritas means truth, and this image is overladen with symbolism. A garbage fire against a wall can leave marks of truth and beauty too. Now we are in Surrey Hills, where truths are being remodelled and attention is sought. The Bondi Beach seawall is getting some attention too, with some fresh stencils. Is a new piece of his. He and his mate Max Berry are painting a favourite wall in a back lane behind Oxford Street.
And I can feel the passion in
Shepard Fairey's Andre the Giant Obey face is open slather for anyone who wants to get it up, wherever they are. Lots have appeared this past week around Newtown and Darlow. I'd love to see that sort of thing happen to the warm pieces, We Are Raw Meat. It'd be cool to see others dropping this indigestible truth in other cities. This series of prose poems has been appearing around the back streets of Newtown. This, writ large on a roundabout in Surrey Hills, with a kind of a Keith Haring figure involved. So there's an SMC3, there's a Consum Terra, and there's a Hool in behind these bars. When I took the photo it looked much deeper than this, but as it happens I've got Mr. Eat Dirt here, Mr. Consum Terra, and he's going to tell me how he did it, how they three did it.
Brooms.
That's a lovely word and it sounds wonderful, but oh okay, yeah, I see, it's not as deep as I thought. lip rose figures have been appearing where plants grow in walls. This blog finishes that we're deep in the southwest, out of Kashula, the powerhouse, and there's some lovely writing pieces and some illustrative elements.
Begging you a 5 cent, sir. Begging you a 10 cent, sir. Cannot help, no cannot help. So if you all keep on doing what you all are doing, you will end up in chains. So if you all keep on doing what you all are doing, you will end up in chains. Skylarking, skylarking.
This sign is to warn of bush rangers up ahead, possibly painted by Sidney Nolan.